So from Wakaba, in this video, make your comment of a huge MTN just for you bundles. So you'll be able to use MTN just for you. Or bet you say, when you say MTN just for you there, it's one of the good offers. Officially, 2 ways spend with media to a MTN just for you by using the USSD code. And I say, we use a my MTN app no. A day at all a year MTN just for you. And between these two, it's better you always check on the MTN app no, because they be an office name on my MTN app no. Sometimes it's different from that of the USSD code no. It is a more of a beniswa. I will USSD code no. With my checking or a year my MTN app no different. They also offer MTN just for you and say MTN just for you is still just for you. I mean, how are also behaving on the network, you know? And mom will determine no more some discounts be and the bema or office near the amount are huge. I was shocked to find out that buying call credit, which airtime to make simple calls, it increases your chance. So will be a huge a year bundle office. Inti near Casana made you know say na MTN bundle just for you bundle data bundle day and can a year call there in Casa boy bra. Nimum no. MTN for say in order for you to stand a chance will be a huge data bundles no. Also making sure say auto airtime or the call to you be at say but chip no browsing kwana or the browser or data kwana auto na unto and find your car. Try to buy airtime or the be call. And I say mash up with my back on you be and so be boy ama a Kenyan office now with the mount no mobile. Another thing is also here using the normal way I edit to a MTN bundle no, which is the *138 no. So in case of say just for you bundle no, a year 141 or tie 141. That's all bundle office number for ma. Not trying why a year 138 no. Be me and son and I'm you be ashe. No sana. Me am a huge office. After say well you should abandon a real. A quite win one bit me for some why they will boost your chance of getting a huge MTN office. You also want to say they make a bit my eduma movie. Now so any eduma movie. So you have to try in case of say amount just for you bundles no. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Medas.